Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on Honor Magic 4 Pro. So in order to do this, let's open a RAR app which we've shown how to download in our other video. Next is to locate the files that we want to unpack, and in this case it's DCIM, then camera. Here's the camera.rar, so let's click on it, select each file that you want to unpack and press on the arrow pointing up. Now choose the designation of the files by pressing on the Browse for folder. Here we'll want to select the folder where the files will be unpacked, and I want mine in the movies. Click OK to save that, then OK again. If it's protected by passwords, now it's time to enter it. Click OK to unpack it. Now let's move to the movies folder. And here's 3 pictures that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.